let's pretend together for a moment that you've got an offer, okay? You have created a business, you have a training course or an ebook or something valuable that you can sell. And you have a shopping cart all set up and ready to take orders. What do you have to actually do to profit? There are 3 steps that we'll do together, and I'll show you how you can make profit with this strategy. The first thing you do is you find influencers. Now, I want to clear this term up. An influencer is really just somebody who has access to an audience. That's it. And that audience listens to them. The first thing that comes to a lot of people's mind is like some TikToker doing funny dance videos. It's not necessarily what we're talking about. It could be. There are influencers everywhere. And they have massive audiences who listen to them and pay attention to them. And the first thing you got to do is find them. There are Facebook pages with massive audiences that pay attention to what happens on those pages or in those groups. Instagram is loaded in just about any niche market you could imagine. YouTube is a perfect example. It is filled with influencers under every topic you could possibly imagine. People that have blogs or just plain old websites. People who have mailing lists of subscribers who respond to them and listen to them. But you're going to find them. And it's actually quite simple. Let's see if I can show you just how simple it is. So let's try a couple of them. Let's just go. I'm just going to search mortgage. So at first we get all of the big news sites. This guy's an influencer. He might be a little hard to get a hold of, but he's a big influencer. So Graham Stephan has a massive audience to pay attention to him for financing. Here's Wall Street Survivor. Here's another one. That's an influencer there. So now if we go to the channel, come over here and look at the About page. I'm not going to click this, but I could, and it would show me his email address. He has 90,000 subscribers that follow him. Now, all you got to do is click that, and it will show you his email address. Now, also, a lot of times you'll see they'll plug their website in their About page. You can go visit their website and look at their contact page. And then there are other ways, which I can teach you on how you find the contact information once you've located an influencer. Somebody put make money online. So success with Sam. Here's a guy. Let's take a look at Sam and let's go to his About page. Here we go. Well, I'm not going to click it because I don't want to expose his email address out here, but there you go. And then some of these guys will plug their websites. And if you see that and there's also, here's his Instagram. Let's see. Okay, there he is. He does have a link tree. And so you can go trying to find his website to look up his contact page and just look for his contact information. And it's that simple. There is no shortage of different niche markets that you can find influencers on. They are everywhere. And you would be shocked at how easy it is to get through to them. But that's step one, is you just make a spreadsheet, whether you want to put it in Google Docs or a notepad file, or heck, you can even write them down on an old-fashioned pad and paper. But you're going to make a list of influencers in your market. 2, you ask them to promote you. There's no fancy tricks. You just send straight up honest communication and say, hey, I've got a product that I think your audience would love. And I'd like to split the revenue and do a joint venture with you. If you promote my product, we can split the revenue 50-50. Some people may think that's a lot, but it's not. That's a perfect opportunity for you to make some money, for the influencer to make some money, and you get all the customers. When we do this, you would be shocked at how many people respond. And you sometimes look at those influencers and you see their big audiences and it's a little intimidating, but they respond and they talk back to you. Some of them are going to say no. Some of them are going to say yes. And you immediately have someone that's now going to send you free traffic because you don't have to pay them up front to promote. Many of these influencers, they actually go in and they'll sponsor and promote a product, right? Well, a secret is that most of the time that is an affiliate product and they're actually getting paid commission for doing that. So sometimes they get paid a sponsor fee up front, but many times they're promoting an affiliate offer and they're just sharing in the revenue by promoting that offer. And that's all you do. You just say, hey, I'd like to sponsor you and do a joint venture together We'll split the revenue 50-50. What do you say? And many times they will say yes. Now, one tough part is you got to track their sales. And step 3 is a lot of reasons why places like ClickBank exist, right? Because they handle the tracking of the sales and all of that. ClickBank also takes a chunk of the income, which you don't necessarily want to do. So I'm going to show you how I'll take care of step 3 for you. It's easy. My AI site builder will build you a site that is already pre-set up with a shopping cart and has an affiliate program built in that will track all the sales so that when those influencers promote you, it tracks the click. You can even give out discount coupons that track to the affiliate for a discount coupon. And it will help you keep track of who you pay commission to. If you decide to work with me, I'm going to help you with this, and I'll provide all the tech. All the tech stuff will be done for you. Our AI systems will do all of the work, and you can have your very own affiliate program, and you will be the offer owner. And now that I've told you this sort of little secret, every time you see an influencer promoting something, you're going to see, oh my gosh, look, they're promoting an affiliate program. And there's some affiliate, some lucky offer owner is actually getting free traffic, and they're only having to pay money after the money hits their bank. That's part of the beauty of this, is that if you're the offer owner, an affiliate promotes your product, you don't pay a dime up front. There's zero risk to you. When the influencer sends a click and somebody buys your product, the money goes into your bank account. It's in your bank account first before you ever pay your affiliate any money. So there's no risk to you. You get lots of free traffic, and then you and your affiliate can actually win if your site is built well and turns into sales. Pretty darn cool. And my private AI tools will build your business for you. So let's say you wanted to get into the mortgage industry and you wanted to create a course, a training about how to get the best mortgage. You could do that. The AI could build you a business. It could build you a course done for you while you kick up your feet and let it do the work. If you want to build a course on dog training, how to train your dog to behave, how to stop it from barking and peeing on things, all that kind of stuff, right? Well, the AI can build that for you while you watch. All right, and if you would like to learn the fastest way to accomplish this, I'd like to set you up with a free demo of Push Button AI. Right now, Push Button AI is closed to the public, but we do allow private beta access. And if you're interested in finding out how you can have our AI technology create an entire business for you, where it could create a 12-module training course that you can sell to users, a free report, a squeeze page, a sales page, a 30-day email sequence, videos, audios, a logo, and a whole lot more. It's everything to build a complete business. If you'd like to get a live demo of that, then you're going to want to text the number that you see. It's down, it should be down here somewhere on the screen. Text us with the word demo. Text us DEMO for the free demo to be able to see this technology in action. Because what we'll do, one of our marketing experts will get on a one-on-one Zoom call with you, and they will demo the technology. And while you're on there, they'll help you with picking niche markets, selecting what kind of a course you might want to build, and they'll show in front of your eyes how it works. And if you'd like to, they can deploy and launch your brand new business in a matter of moments. But to do that, you need to text us, text demo to the link you see down below, and you get a chance to see how the technology can make all of that stuff for you, and it's push button simple. Now, when you're doing this, you're going to get a free niche consultation. You're going to see how the Push Button AI software can dramatically speed up your time to market so that you can build an entire business. It literally registers your domain name for you. It picks your domain name for you, and it comes up with awesome domain names. It deploys your business, sets up your hosting, launches your entire business, all while you watch. Now, I do want to say, even though it's push button simple and it really speeds up the time to profit, you really need to be aware that any business that you create, that you try to profit from, takes effort, energy, money, time, and commitment. And only if you're willing to put those into your new business should you set up a demo, okay? So it's really important that you be prepared to, again, invest money, time, energy, effort to making your business a success. And if you're willing to do that, then please text the number that you see on the screen and set up your free demo. And again, during the demo, you'll get a niche consultation. If you're not sure which niche market to be in, what kind of a course to create, what kind of business to create, then they will help you with that. And they're going to do it using the power of AI. We have special niche coaching that is powered by AI that will help you select your niche market, help you figure out what kind of a course to create the entire 12 lesson training course. It's ready to deploy. And they'll do that for you live on Zoom one-on-one. So text the number you see on your screen. And by the way, make sure you like, subscribe, and engage with us on this video. Do all that stuff. I have lots more great content coming. So we'll see you next time. Bye for now.